All right. So you're at that point, guys, where you got to get your brisket wrapped, right? But you're not quite sure of how to wrap your brisket. Well, stick around. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing I do, guys, is I tear off about 40 inches of butcher paper, because that's what I prefer to use. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it down. Now, typically, I'll spray it down with whatever I'm spritzing my brisket with, and you just basically are doing this so that your brisket or your butcher paper can become more pliable. Okay, next up, we're going to take our brisket and we're going to place it right here near the end of our butcher paper. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to use the end of the paper and just kind of fold up over the brisket. And we're just going to roll it over, guys. Now, once you get it turned over, you're just going to pull it tight to yourself. Again, tuck it in underneath this brisket nice and well. We're going to take the ends. We're going to tuck it underneath the brisket and then fold this over. As I fold this over, I'm taking this excess and I'm just gonna fold a crease right down to the end of the paper. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here on the other end. We put it in here. This was fat side up. We're folded over. We're now fat side down. We're gonna roll it one more time here. And now we are fat cap up, meat side down. And we have this excess here. So what do we do with the excess? We literally just fold it over to make